We need garlic. Remember, garlic contains vitamins and minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and vitamins. So we need garlic, only 4 pieces. So we need only 4 pieces of garlic. Don't forget that garlic helps to enhance blood flow, okay? And garlic will help you to boost stamina naturally, to enhance your performance naturally. So you need garlic for this home recipe to take place. Remember, this home remedy is natural, okay? This home remedy is natural. So follow up the end. But don't forget to subscribe if you have never subscribed, to invite your friends to this YouTube channel. And of course, if you're on TikTok, Facebook, go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda YouTube channel and subscribe. Okay? This is amazing home remedy. Stop yearning for manpower naturally, but if you try this amazing home remedy, which you're going to learn right now, trust me, physical performance will increase naturally. Improving your endurance will also improve naturally. Okay? Yes, boosting stamina will also work on it naturally. So if you've been going for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you'd like to enhance your physical performance naturally, this will make it faster for you guys. These are 4 pieces of small garlic. As you see guys, you need 4. As I told you, you're going to grate your garlic. So you need a grater at home. Make sure that you grate. Okay? This will improve your performance naturally, to make you a real person. If you are suffering from low blood saturation, you need this home remedy. Trust me. The same too, if you'd like to improve your performance naturally, physical performance, you also need this amazing home remedy. Remember, it doesn't have side effects, no overdose, but trust me, the performance will become perfect. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only, but I told you, you can join my membership, yes, for exclusive information, exclusive videos. Yes, just click join and you enjoy more from Coach Uganda. This is our grated garlic, as you see. Very interesting, but powerful when it comes to making natural ingredients. But powerful when it comes to making natural home remedies. You need this for your performance to get better naturally, to boost stamina. Then the next ingredient, we need coffee powder. Yes, coffee powder, as you see. Yeah, we also need, as you see, it's very new. We need also 1 tablespoon is enough. Only 1 tablespoon, guys. Remember, coffee contains nutrients, vitamins, and coffee also helps to enhance your performance, boosting stamina naturally. You can use Nescafe if you have at home, only 1 tablespoon. Very interesting, but it can bring wonders when it comes to improving, boosting your stamina naturally. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only. So yeah, here you go, guys. Now the next ingredient is lemon. We're going to add a small piece of lemon, a half of it. Lemon juice. So this is one what we need. Just add lemon juice. Stop yearning for manpower. This may help you to make you a real performer at home. So mix very well. Again, from that, get for me one bottle like this one. So you're going to transfer this home remedy into this empty bottle, as you see. Then we need hot boiled water. Hot boiled water. Here's my hot boiled water. I'm going to add here. Hot boiled water. So if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, Coach Uganda, please, you're doing a wrong thing. Subscribe right now. Invite your friends to my YouTube channel, Coach Uganda. Leave a comment in the comment section, and of course join my membership for such exclusive videos. Just click on the word join and enjoy more from Coach Uganda. Now you're going to cover only for 1 minute. Cover for only 1 minute, guys. As you see, is enough. Only 1 minute. This is amazing home remedy which will boost your stamina naturally, which will improve or increase on your energy naturally, which will give you strength during physical performance, and trust me, will improve or will increase on your blood saturation. Remember, if you have high blood saturation, it means your physical performance will become better and perfect. So you need such amazing home remedy to become a real man at home. So after 1 minute, we are going to filter our home remedy. From that, you're going to filter our home remedy, as I told you. So make sure that you keep it just for 1 minute. So we're going to filter. No overdose, no side effects. Here we go. So remove these ones, put them aside. Then you need 1 glass to transfer your home remedy, because this is what we need. Transfer your home remedy here. It's enough. Lastly, get for me natural honey. Remember, natural honey contains nutrients, vitamins, calcium, magnesium, potassium, which helps to work or to cleanse your body. So here we go, 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Only 1 tablespoon, guys, don't forget. This is enough. Then mix very well. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and if you're newcomer to this YouTube channel, just make sure that you subscribe and you enjoy more from Coach Uganda. This is what we bring for you every day, for both men and women, children. Every person is welcomed to this YouTube channel, Coach Uganda, of course. So here we go. As you see, very amazing, interesting, but when it comes to improving your physical performance naturally, to boost your stamina naturally, to increase your energy naturally, to make you a real good performer at home naturally, this is what you need. Trust me. Just 1 glass every day will shock you. Remember, this home remedy, no overdose, no side effects. I want you to take this glass every day on your empty stomach when you have just waken up, okay, before eating anything. In 4 weeks, my dear, you will start witnessing the benefits of this glass. You will become a real man after taking this glass every day on your empty stomach. Trust me, it doesn't lie.